Technology is changing the ways we interact with each other and how we do our jobs. But you know what hasn't changed? The way we educate our children. We've had the same teacher lecture into a classroom model for over 100 years, and it's not getting us anywhere. Did you know that the average 12th grader graduates high school knowing as much math as a top 3rd grader? And that's true across most subjects. In this day and age, with artificial intelligence exploding, it's no longer just about the 3 R's, writing, reading, and arithmetic. It is now also about the 4 C's, creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. I am all about learning how we can disrupt education for the better. I'll be sharing tips and examples for parents, educators, and students. So join me as we explore the future of education. If you're finding this conversation about parenting helpful, hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. Thanks.